Today, I am reviewing the HP ProDesk 600G3 Mini Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that stands out in daily operation is how balanced the overall experience feels, especially considering this is a renewed business class system. The Intel Core i5-6500T may not be a modern processor, but it still delivers the kind of consistency that office users actually care about. Everyday tasks like document editing, spreadsheets, email, video conferencing, web research, and browser-heavy workflows run smoothly without hesitation. There is no sense of the system struggling or lagging behind, as long as it is used within the role it was designed for. Performance feels steady rather than bursty, which is exactly what you want in a work machine that may be left running all day. Multitasking with 8 GB of DDR4 memory is surprisingly comfortable for typical office scenarios. Running multiple browser tabs, productivity software, background cloud sync, and communication tools simultaneously does not overwhelm the system. While power users or developers may eventually want to upgrade the memory for general business, home office, and educational use, the included configuration feels appropriately matched to the processor. The 256 GB SSD plays a major role here, keeping boot times short, applications responsive, and file access snappy. The system feels awake and ready almost immediately after powering on, which adds up to a smoother daily workflow over time. The included full HD monitor significantly enhances the value of this bundle. Having a properly sized display out of the box removes the friction of sourcing compatible components separately, which is especially useful for home offices, small businesses, or remote workers setting up quickly. Text clarity is good, colors are consistent, and screen real estate is sufficient for split-screen multitasking and document-heavy work. While it is not aimed at creative professionals, it does exactly what it needs to do for productivity, video calls, and media consumption without distractions. One of the strongest aspects of the ProDesk 600G3 is its reliability. Business class systems like this are designed to run for long hours, and that shows in thermal behavior and system stability. Fan noise remains controlled, even during extended use, and the system does not exhibit random slowdowns or overheating under normal workloads. This makes it well-suited for offices, shared workspaces, or quiet home environments where constant background noise would be a problem. The compact form factor also means it takes up very little desk space, contributing to a clean and organized setup. Connectivity is another area where this system proves its business roots. The variety of ports ensures compatibility with older and newer peripherals alike, reducing the need for adapters or dongles. DisplayPort output works reliably with modern monitors. USB connectivity is plentiful for accessories, and wired networking remains stable for environments where reliability matters more than raw wireless speed. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adds flexibility for wireless peripherals and cleaner setups, especially in home offices. Running Windows 11 Pro on this machine feels appropriate rather than forced. Security features, device management options, and productivity-focused enhancements make sense for professional users, and the system handles the operating system without feeling sluggish. Navigation is smooth, updates install without drama, and the overall experience feels polished rather than compromised. This is important for users who rely on their system daily and cannot afford downtime or instability. What ultimately defines the HP ProDesk 600G3 Mini Desktop Bundle is trust. It does not demand attention, it does not surprise you, and it does not pretend to be something it is not. Instead, it delivers consistent performance, dependable operation, and a complete workspace solution that simply works. For students, remote workers, small businesses, call centers, and anyone needing a reliable Windows PC for productivity and communication, this system proves that older business hardware, when properly refurbished and paired with solid components, can still be a smart and cost-effective choice. In real-world use, this HP ProDesk setup feels like a tool rather than a gadget. It fades into the background and allows you to focus on your work, which is ultimately the highest compliment you can give a business-oriented desktop.